Ladder drills are super important for any tennis player looking to get better at their footwork. They help with agility, speed, balance, and coordination, which are all crucial when playing the sport. Doing ladder drills can also help players react faster to shots, change direction easily, and bounce back after moves.
So, today's workout has 6 exercises, each for 40 seconds, and then there's a 10-second break in between. This helps make sure that we are working hard while also giving us time to catch our breath and stay sharp. Make sure to go out there and do each move with lots of focus and control. Don't forget to be light on your feet too.
If you use ladder drills in your workout, you'll see a big boost in your reflexes, better coordination, and faster footwork. That can give you an edge on the court. Just stick with it, and you'll see amazing changes in your tennis game.